Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna share my experience of delivering my beautiful baby girl on 24th of November 2025. Guys, she's 45 days right now and it is an amazing experience to be a mother of a child, especially a girl child. So, guys, a day before the delivery, I was really nervous because I had heard a lot about the C-section delivery process, especially the injection which they put in, in the spinal, the anesthesia injection. I heard that, it pains a lot. So I was really scared. And also the C-section process, I've heard that the stitches pain a lot after the surgery. So I was really scared. Although we parted, we enjoyed a lot a day before. We had karaoke, we had barbecue at night. My parents, my in-laws, and me with my husband, we enjoyed a lot a day before. Finally, the day came for the delivery. So in the morning, the doctor asked me to, visit the hospital around 7 a.m. in the morning because I was suffering from gestational diabetes. So I was advised that my surgery would happen around 10 to 11 a.m. For a diabetes patient, they don't wait for the second half to perform the surgery. So we reached around 7:30 in the morning in the hospital. I got up in the morning, little bit scared, but also excited because finally the time has come that I'll be meeting my child. So I worshipped the God whom I believe a lot. And I got ready for the hospital along with my hospital bag. And we finally reached the hospital. So we did the initial formalities. Then there were certain vitals which were done. And then I was, no, made ready for the surgery procedure. However, there was a slight, changes in the schedule time because there had been an emergency surgery which the doctor had to perform. So she requested us if we can wait for another 1 to 2 hours for that surgery to happen. So we had to wait a lot, honestly. And since I was suffering from gestational diabetes, I was really hungry, and due to NPO, I had no water since for the past 12 to 14 hours. I did not have a sip of water, so I was feeling really thirsty and low on energy. My sugar levels were also going down. But finally, the time came around 1:30 p.m. Yes, guys, it was that late. So around 1:30 p.m. finally the time came when the doctor came and she said that now we are ready for the surgery. And at that time, I remember, just few minutes back, I had asked my husband to go to the room which was allocated to me and just have something because he was hungry since morning. He went and immediately the doctor came and said that we have to proceed for the surgery. I got so nervous, my God, because I wanted my husband to be there with me, when I was going to enter the OT. But thanks to the doctor that she immediately called him and asked him to come and, cheer me up. That was a great gesture by the doctor. He came and, we just wished each other good luck. And I was damn scared, guys. Honestly, when I entered the OT, my BP, went so low because of this entire fear which I had in my head about this anesthesia injection and the procedure, because it was the first time that I was visiting a hospital and getting something done on me. So I was really scared. So the moment we entered, I entered inside the room. They started with the first thing which, had scared me a lot, which was the anesthesia injection. I immediately asked the anesthetician, is it going to pain? Am I going to get any impact after the surgery on my spine or something like that? Because I had heard a lot about it. So he was like, just chill. And doctor was in fact telling that that's why I ask people not to uh, seek so much advice online about what is the process, what happens and all that, because people do get scared. So, and honestly, what he said is exactly what happened. There was no pain, honestly, when he had injected. on my spinal cord, and even there were no after effects, guys, because I'm speaking now, which is 45 days from my delivery. uh, it was very smooth. And then finally, once the spinal anesthesia injection was put in my spine, I had slowly, just within flick of few seconds only, I had, no, I could not feel anything in my lower body. It was all numb. And then they started with the surgery process. They had covered the first half of my body, like there was a curtain in the first half of my body, so that I cannot see beneath, like what is happening, how they are cutting the stomach, and how they are taking the child out. So I could not see anything, but I could feel honestly everything happening. I could feel when they had put a cut, and when they are, finally going to take out the baby. So all those feelings were happening. And there were like few people standing behind me who were telling me like what all is happening. So that was really helpful. And guys, the best thing about C-section delivery is that I was completely, calmly enjoying the process, which is not the case in case of normal delivery, because you keep on screaming and shouting because of the pain. Not that I'm saying that normal delivery is not, yeah, I know it is super great to have a normal delivery, but this is the plus point of having a C-section, that you can be calm, composed, you can chant the, prayer, whichever prayer or whatever good song you want, in order to, just chill and relax. So I was doing the same. I believe a lot in Lord Krishna, so I was again and again chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. I was feeling so, that process was so magical, and the experience was so amazing, guys. So finally, when they had put a cut on my stomach, I just then thought that now is the time that my baby is going to come out. And like in 2 3 minutes, or say 5 minutes from that time, I finally saw they took out something from my stomach, and immediately the baby started crying out loud. And my god, that feeling, oh, that was so amazing, guys. I had tears of joy in my eyes. I was constantly, tears were coming. I was weeping, and the people beside me were like, "Oh, your child is born. Why are you crying now? You should be happy." But they were not understanding that, oh God, to hear the sound of that cry was so. My God, I just can't describe that. It was so beautiful. Like I could not see. I knew that I have a child inside my tummy for the 9 months, but finally seeing that child has come out, and is uh, crying, and the sound of the child. My God, that was so touching, guys. Amazing experience. So once the child came out, again there was excitement in me to know the gender of the child, because for the entire 9 months we've been discussing a lot about whether it's a boy, it's a girl. Like each family member had to, vote for it, and I was too curious to know that what's the outcome of that vote. So I was scared to ask the doctor who was performing the surgery, because it was a serious procedure and I didn't want to disturb her, and she could have scolded me also, like, why are you asking the gender? So I just asked a person who was standing behind me, and my God, that person said that, it's a boy. I was like, oh God, I had bet for a girl because I wanted a girl child from the very beginning. So I just replied him back that, oh God, it's a girl. So actually, he wanted to say that, people often mistake. People are often mistaken that whether he is a girl or a boy. So he meant that he's a boy, because later on when they got the baby to me and showed the gender of the baby, disclosed the gender of the baby to me, it was a girl. So it was a big shock to me that just a few minutes back somebody said that it's a boy and it's a girl. I actually, for once I thought that whether the baby is exchanged or something like that. So I really got, it was a very funny moment. And immediately after, that guy had said that it's a boy, the doctor looked at him and said, just meet me after this. So I got scared, like, what's happening around? It's really, I'm not able to understand. Anyways, I was on cloud nine, and coincidentally, the delivery also took place in Cloud9 Hospital. Uh, amazing experience. I mean, the staff over there, the doctor who performed the surgery, they were so supportive, and it was flawless. Honestly, the process was flawless, and it was an amazing experience, truly.